In previous lecture, we have understood workbook screen. In this lecture, we will understand more about ribbons. Right now, we are in Home tab and our ribbon is showing command icons related to Home tab. Typical commands include cut, copy, changing font size, making bold. There are sections like alignment, numbering formats, styles, cells, editing, etc. available in this ribbon. Now if we click on Insert tab, all the commands related to insert will be available on the ribbon. Typically, suppose if I want to insert any shape, then I will click on shape icon and it will display me long list of different shapes out of which I can pick any and insert the same in my workbook. In same way, we have Data tab. Data tab has got some typical command icons like filter, sort, which we will be learning in our course. We also have Review tab, View tab. Now in View tab, if I select command zoom, then few commands like this will open one special dialog box which will show more details related to selected command. In this case, it is showing my current zoom level as 100%. I can change this zoom level to any value I wish to have. Suppose I change it to 50% and click OK, then my screen will change to 50% zoom out. To bring back screen to normal again, I can click on command icon 100% in zoom section of ribbon. Like this, there are various commands which are available on these ribbons which are well categorized in different tabs. Let us understand more about ribbons. For example, I will click on Insert tab. All command icons related to Insert tab are now visible on the ribbon. But now if I double click on Insert tab, this ribbon will get hidden and we can only see tab bar. Now Excel's workbook screen is occupying maximum portion of our screen. This is typically required when you need to work exclusively for data entry in your workbook and want to have maximum view of your workbook rather than your commands occupying portion of your screen. So in this way you can hide the ribbon, and if you double click the tab again, you will get back to see the particular ribbon on screen back again. There is another way also. For example, let's double click Insert tab and hide the ribbon. On the right hand top side, there is one icon called as Ribbon Display Options. Click on that and click on command Show Tabs and Commands, and that ribbon will get displayed again. In this way you can hide or unhide the ribbon. Also, there is one small button on the right side bottom of the ribbon called Collapse the Ribbon, which will help to collapse the ribbon to make it hide. And if we again click on Ribbon Display option and Show Tabs and Commands, then ribbon will display it back. So Excel provides now with greater control on display of ribbons. In next lecture, we will see details about Backstage View.